Hi guys! Today we'll learn how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So first of all, open the TikTok app on your device, and once it opens, you'll land on the home screen. Now at the bottom right side, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it because this will take you to your profile page. After your profile page opens, you'll see your name below your profile picture, and right next to it, there will be a drop-down icon. Tap on that icon because this is where TikTok lets you switch accounts or add a new one. Now, after tapping the drop-down icon, you'll see options like Switch Account, showing your current account, and below that, the Add Account option. Simply tap on Add Account because this is how you can add another TikTok account and manage multiple accounts on the same device. Finally, enter all the required information for your new account, like email, phone number, or username, and follow the prompts. Once you complete this, your new account will be added, and you can easily switch between multiple accounts without logging out. And that's how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok and manage them easily in one app. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below if you want more helpful TikTok tips.